So I've been looking over the justifications for changing the childhood vaccination schedule, and I have some issues with it. You're shocked, I know. Issue number one. In the background, it says that on December 5th, 2025, the president directed HHS and CDC to review best practices from peer developed nations regarding core childhood vaccination recommendations and the scientific evidence underlying those practices. And then basically, he said that if they determined that those other practices were superior to the United States, that they need to update and align it with the best practices from these peer nations. So my immediate question is, what are these peer nations? And then you find out in the next paragraph that it is Japan, Denmark, and Germany. This directive came on December 5th. They made the announcement about changing the schedule January 5th. So they're trying to make it look as if it took a month to review all of these practices from these other countries and look at the scientific evidence and then compare it to the United States and look at our schedule and look at our evidence for our schedule. You're telling me that a month was enough time to do that? And actually, if you think about it, it probably wasn't really a month because I'm sure these people had time off for the holidays. Now, if you've been paying attention to the ACIP meetings and other goings on at FDA and CDC, it's pretty apparent that this was something they had in mind to do already before the directive from the president was even made. This is them making the decision a long time ago that this is how it should be, and now trying to act as if they put in the work and did the studies and did the comparisons. It's bullshit. More on all this later.